Welcome to the Mammoth Club YouTube channel. Today, we've got some sizzling AI updates to get amazed, so let's start it. Meta's bold move, snagging OpenAI's top talent. Meta just scored big by hiring 3-star researchers straight from OpenAI, shaking up the AI playground in a major way. This talent grab signals Meta's serious game plan to boost its AI innovation fast and furious. The quick scoop: Meta hires top OpenAI researchers. This talent grab shows Meta's rapid AI ambitions. OpenAI losing stars could shake up the AI rivalry. Watch the flow of AI talent. It's a clear indicator of where future tech is headed. AI Act on hold. Tech lobby calls for a timeout. The tech world is throwing up a quick flag as the EU's AI Act moves forward. Industry groups want a breather before things get locked in. They're urging EU leaders to pause, rethink, and fine-tune the rules around AI to keep innovation vibrant without chaos. The details. Tech lobby calls for a pause on the AI Act rollout. Industry wants smarter, clearer rules. More time needed for input and adaptation. This pause means AI rules might flex, giving you time to adapt and gear up. Sam Altman throws down the gauntlet at the New York Times. AI superstar. Sam Altman isn't holding back, calling out the New York Times for what he sees as unfair coverage of AI and OpenAI's work. He's defending his turf with bold words and big ideas about the future of AI. The highlights: Sam blasts NYT for misrepresenting AI progress. He defends AI's potential to change the world. Altman promises to keep OpenAI transparent. Stay sharp. Watch how leaders defend AI innovation and spot key trends shaping tech's future. AI regulations. AI ban drama. States push back against federal rules. US state attorneys general are pushing back against federal AI bans, saying they could stifle innovation and job growth. The lowdown. States warn AI bans could harm innovation. Attorneys general demand clearer, balanced rules. Debate heats up with 2025's big AI law on the horizon. Keep an eye on evolving AI regulations to stay ahead and harness new tech without outdated policies. Bernie Sanders wants our to slash our work week to 4 days. Bernie Sanders proposes a 4-day work week, leveraging AI productivity gains to make life easier. The breakdown: AI could help us work less, not just faster. A 4-day work week could be the future. Productivity gains can lead to more free time. Use AI to boost your workflow and advocate for smarter work policies. Getty and Stability AI. The copyright clash heats up. Getty has filed big copyright claims against Stability AI, with a UK lawsuit still in progress, making waves in the AI art world. The lowdown. Getty files major copyright claims against Stability AI. UK lawsuit against Stability AI continues. Battle highlights AI's rocky relationship with art rights. Watch the legal drama unfold. It could change how copyright rules evolve in the AI space. Google just dropped Gemini CLI, your new AI sidekick for terminals. Google's Gemini CLI is here, bringing AI power directly to your command line for smarter, faster workflows. The inside scoop: Gemini CLI brings AI to your terminal window. Open source and customizable for devs and tech lovers. Automates tasks and answers coding queries. Boost productivity and level up your workflow with Gemini CLI's AI smarts. Level up your career with Mammoth Club. Want to level up your career? Mammoth Club offers over 2,000 courses and certifications like AWS, Azure, and CompTIA. Stay ahead with monthly updates and grow your skills for just 50 cents a day. Grab it now. Tools for AI Edge. Tableau, AI-powered analytics and data visualization. ThoughtSpot, AI-powered analytics for BI. Polymer, AI for creating data dashboards. Akkio, AI platform for data analysis. Datawrapper, AI tool for charts, maps and tables. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the AI round. Like, subscribe and grab the AI Edge newsletter for free updates straight to your inbox.